So this is Jordan, one of our best videographers.
Yeah,
and he wants this lens.
Okay.
Are we gonna give it to him?
No, absolutely not. This is my lens. Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
What do you think?
I'm just gonna off. It's fine. I'll be over here. This is our lens. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Bye bye.
It's Thursday. I'm packing up right now to head down to LA, and then on Friday tomorrow, I'm flying out to Tampa, Florida to shoot a music festival all weekend. I'm going to Sunset Music Festival with a company called iWax Films. I used to work for iWax full time back in 2015 to like 2017 when I lived in LA, and they're the ones that started everything in the music realm for me. They're the ones that got me the gig with Galantis, they're the ones that got me the gig with Odessa. Anything in the music scene has been because of them. I'm super excited because these are all like my really good friends. Outside of filming and working together, they're just good people. I figured I would make like a vlog style video for this weekend. I used to do that back whenever I was shooting festivals with them. Last one I shot was like in 2016. So I figured, let's do something for the weekend. There's probably not gonna be a lot of context or storyline to this video just because it's pretty hard to film stuff like this and shoot there. So I have to obviously put all of my time to shooting that. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up right now and then drive down to LA. And let's just kind of see where this video goes. Yeah, I need you to hold down the fort this weekend, okay? Okay.
Some Tenzo tea premium matcha here. We're gonna go with a drink called the Green Eye. 30% cold brew, 40% almond milk. Couple scoops of goodness in here. Cheers, boys.
Ooh, it's good.
That's pretty good.
It's different. Matcha plus coffee is an interesting taste. LAX is lit right now.
Wow. It is lit. It is. There is a lot of people here.
Yeah.
What do we think about the way that the Delta makes their employees dress? I feel like it looks a little 80s / 70s porno.
First bag out.
Bags of yeah. Walk around
Feeling pretty good. Looks like a beautiful day. Beautiful day to rave. It's a good day to rave.
iWax crew
back.
reunited. Heavy.
That's right.
We're back.
OG. Boys are back.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaiser. Birthday to you. Picture one.
All right, dudes. I mean, everybody knows what's up. I mean, seems like everybody already knows what we're doing. Appreciate you guys being out here. Thank you for coming out and hanging and working with us again.
Thanks for having
all of you guys. Thank you.
Dream team.
Yeah. The dream team's back together, baby. This is the squad right here. 1, 2, 3. iWax!
All right, gates are open. Day one. Just gonna give you kind of the rundown of what it's like to shoot music festivals. It's not quite as exciting as you would think, but still fun. Super hot outside, so we're gonna get sweaty. We've got a Scarlet W, Gemini, and a Epic W. So we got a lot of toys out here this weekend. Yeah, let's do it.
We got a classic case right here. Who's gonna get the better shot?
So Monegro is notorious for needing a lot of PAs. He usually has a minimum of 2. So he's got his supplied minimum over there. Like 10th in, like, yeah, looks good, blah, blah. You know?
What do you have these guys doing today? Are they just assisting or?
Yeah.
Hey, they keep the dream alive.
And when I say action, you guys are gonna walk towards me. Super excited, you know, to be here.
Tampa police on duty.
He's not coming in here.
He's not coming in here.
Oh, how about these?
I'm about to sneeze real hard. No, we're good. We're good.
What was that dance move? What are we thinking so far?
It's good. It's hot though. I'm dread. But it's good. Fun.
Keith, Cam, and Nizer just crushing the on-site edits.
What you doing, Jordan?
I'm building a makeshift hoodman. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it's functional.
I have the same tattoos as him. We literally have the same tattoos.
So as I'm editing this video, like I said in the beginning, there probably wasn't going to be much context or storyline to this. Just a bunch of clips throughout the weekend, some funny stuff, and some kind of like behind the scenes. Day 2, I had to give my camera to Phantoms basically all day, so I pretty much just grouped day 1 and 2 into like a single video. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat entertaining to watch kind of what it's like to shoot these festivals. I'm going to be at another festival a week from today. I'll be at Spring Awakening in Chicago, Illinois, so if you want me to make another video on that, kind of like what I did with this one, let me know in the comments. Also, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and lastly, if you want to see the recap videos and the actual product that we finished off with from the weekend, I'll throw some links in the description so you can see those. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.